Have you ever dreamed of working in the USA as a pharmacist? Are captivated by the allure of Silicon Valley, the hub of innovation and technology? Or perhaps you're drawn to the powerful film scenes of cities like New York, Austin, or Seattle? Well, this dream might be closer to reality than you think. So how does one make this dream come true? Your journey to becoming a pharmacist in the United States begins with understanding the various types of visas available. Firstly, there's the F1 visa. This is a non-immigrant visa for those wishing to pursue academic studies or language training programs in the United States. It's typically used by international students attending a university or college in the States. While studying, you might want to gain some practical experience in your field of study. This is where the optional practical training, or OPT, and curricular practical training, or CPT, come in. OPT is a temporary employment directly related to an F1 student's major area of study. It can be used both during the course of study, known as pre-completion OPT, and after the completion of study, known as post-completion OPT. CPT, on the other hand, is an employment option available to F1 students where the practical training employment is considered to be an integral part of the curriculum or academic program. Next in line is the H-1B visa. This is a work permit that allows foreign workers in specialized occupations to legally work in the U.S. It is highly sought after by tech professionals, including pharmacists. Once you are in the U.S. on an H-1B visa, you might want to consider applying for an employment-based green card. There are 3 categories: EB2, EB3, and EB1. You can apply for these visas out of the country as well. The EB2 is for professionals with advanced degrees or persons with exceptional ability in the arts, sciences, or business. Pharmacists, with their specialized knowledge and skills, often qualify under this category. The EB3 category is for skilled workers, professionals, and other workers. Although the requirements for this category are less stringent than the EB2, the waiting time can be longer. The EB1 is for individuals with extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. This is a difficult category to qualify for, but if you can prove that you are one of the small percentage who has risen to the very top of your field, this might be the right choice for you. Lastly, there's the O1 visa for individuals with extraordinary ability or achievement in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. This is a non-immigrant visa, but it can lead to permanent residency. So, to summarize, your journey to becoming a juggler in the USA typically starts with an F1 visa, followed by OPT or CPT for work experience, then an H-1B visa for employment. Once in the US, you can apply for an employment-based green card under the EB2, EB3, or EB1 categories, or you can opt for an O1 visa if you have extraordinary ability or achievement in your field. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so why not take that first step today and start your journey towards becoming a pharmacist in the USA? Voiceover. If you're in the process of making your American dream a reality and you're looking for a reliable platform to kickstart your job search, allow us to introduce Move2USAjobs.com. This dedicated platform is designed with international professionals like you in mind. It offers many job opportunities with U.S. visa sponsorship across various sectors in the USA. Move2USAjobs.com simplifies your job search by providing detailed information about each job, company profiles, and the option to apply directly through the platform. Plus, they offer helpful resources to assist you in your job search journey, like resume tips and interview advice, and even sponsor matching services. So why wait any longer? Visit Move2USAjobs.com today and set your career wheels in motion. Remember, your American dream is just a job application away with Move2USAjobs.com.